For every dollar you spend on food, 19 cents goes to the actual food, while the other 81 cents goes to marketing and packaging. A quote from Carrie McNeil. Food is the most important part in our society, yet we know little about its actual worth. Single-use plastic is the reason for us not knowing this worth, because we pay for it too. Yet they make a big part in the current proportion of plastic pollution. Packaging like takeout containers, cups, or straws are the main culprits. Governments have, with the help of industrial professionals, identified single-use plastic, which more than half of our food packaging is, as the primary source of plastic pollution. The problem that comes with this is that 50% of plastic is from fossil fuel, the same fuel countries all around the world want to reduce. A solution to the problem of plastic pollution is the circular economy. The circular economy improves on the traditional linear economy, which is based on take, make, consume, and dispose. While the circular economy wants to establish a closed cycle where plastic is being reused, recycled, or repurposed. By keeping plastic in use and out of the environment, the circular economy helps tackle plastic waste while also promoting sustainability and an invention.
We have developed two central ideas that would speak in favor of reducing plastic waste and pollution with a more political approach. Our first idea is the circular economy seal, which shows how sustainable the product is and how often it can be included in a circular economy model, or how capable it is for the circular economy. Therefore, we use stars from 1 to 5 to represent the score of how high the product can be ranked in the aspect of sustainability regarding the circular economy product life cycle. Our second idea is to introduce a law that requires shock photos on certain products which especially are environmentally harmful and have a great waste extent, such as plastic products in general. Plastic waste makes up 3/3 of the ocean already and harms the ecosystems. Also, countries often don't know where to store the waste and what to do with it because not everything is recyclable. Therefore, we want to make sure people know what they buy and where it would go after the consumption.
These predicted effective impacts on the buyer can be proven by several studies that have researched the impact of shock photos, all of which were related to shock photos on cigarette packages. One notable study comes from the World Health Organization, which published a research paper in 2014 entitled "How Large Pictorial Health Warnings on the Packaging of Tobacco Products Affect Knowledge and Behavior." Based on scientific literature, international studies, and field reports from countries such as Canada, Brazil, Australia, and the European Union, the effectiveness of pictorial warnings was proven. It caused increased awareness of health risks, and it motivated smokers to quit and non-smokers not to start. In Canada, 44% of smokers reported that pictorial warnings increased their motivation to quit smoking. In Romania, 31% of smokers were encouraged to quit by combined text and picture warnings, while only 14.2% did so with purely text-based warnings. A reluctance to smoke was established among young people in particular. Fear-inducing images had the greatest effect. Transferring such a system to plastic packaging for food products would therefore be illogical from a scientific perspective. Where smokers are warned, awareness and responsibility can be communicated to customers. Finally, it is important to say that circular economy should be further promoted, especially in the food industry. Our ideas are an approach to minimize plastic in one of the largest economic sectors. The seal creates clarity for the consumers about the sustainability of the product, while the shock photos should discourage shoppers from buying plastic packaging. We are all responsible for making our planet a better, more environmentally friendly world. Our ideas provide input for the world of tomorrow, but it is up to the consumers to secure that future.